holiday in Bali, living as digital nomads. So it's currently a bank holiday in the UK, so we don't have any work today. So we're grabbing a bite to eat at Inclusive Orong, and then we're going to go to a spa. I'm really excited for the spa because normally you just go to like the cheaper massage places to get like a massage, but it's going to be a whole experience today, and I'm really looking forward to
Just finished the massage, feeling super relaxed.
Very nice. It was a good massage.
It was good, yeah. I got a thing for dribbling though.
Yeah.
But I'm like a big baby these days. Every time I have a massage, I end up falling asleep.
I guess it's a sign of relaxation.
Yeah, I guess so.
But it was nice because they started off our treatment with like a foot scrub, which was nice. Nice touch, and then a full 60-minute body massage. Very nice.
I'm gonna go downstairs now, have a ginger tea, ginger honey tea.
Ginger honey.
Maybe sit by the pool, top of our tan, and just chill.
Chill at Goldust Spa.
Highly recommend it. Just at the beach, getting our feet and our toes in between the sand, admiring the sunset.
Yeah, the sunsets in Bali are so pretty. On photos and videos it doesn't do it justice, but it's really beautiful in person. But I forgot to say, the spa cost us 620 Indonesian rupees, which is about £30 for the both of us. So it's like £15 each for that whole spa experience, which is amazing, so cheap, and I can't believe it. But anyways, we're gonna continue our little walk and then go and head for dinner. Still not sure where we're going yet, but we'll see where it takes us. So this is actually our last week in Canggu, so I thought let me come to the Body Factory gym where we have been training at and do some yoga content before we leave, because next week we're actually going to Ubud for a month, and I'm going to be doing a 3-week 200-hour yoga teacher training course, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I cannot wait to get started.
Saw this cool cafe online, and I believe it's dedicated after Nipsey Hussle. Now, if you don't know me, I'm a huge fan of Nipsey Hussle. I actually got this tattoo here, which is inspired by Nipsey Hussle for the marathon. But yeah, as soon as I saw this place online, I thought I have to come down and check it out. It's got some cool artwork in here as well, great merchandise. So yeah, it's cool. The food just came, so I'm looking forward to tucking in because I am starving hungry. Starving hungry? I'm starving and hungry, really hungry.
Just finished our meal. I really enjoyed it. It was yummy. Full now, reset, ready to do a couple of hours of work. Not sure what we've got planned for the rest of the week or this weekend. We're just going to play it by ear. It's like our last weekend in Canggu, so we'll probably do something memorable and fun before we head off to Ubud. But for now, I'll see you tomorrow.
So update, we've changed rooms in our apartment because it's not that we wasn't happy with our room. The room was nice, but there was a few issues. In the first week we stayed, there was a rat, jumped out of Shade's suitcase. I think in the third week, there was rats in the top, in the walls. And last night, there was more rats. I mean, we didn't see the third one, but we heard it running around the wall. So obviously we complained, so we're not happy. So can you please change rooms or sort it out? And we've moved next door, it's not that far. But this room is a massive upgrade, I will tell you that, because I mean, the space, this is the living area. You got this lovely balcony as well. And you've got a rocking chair. So I might fall asleep in a rocking chair tonight, but you're just gonna make sure I don't get mosquito bites. But yeah, come, follow me. So it's much bigger. We actually got a dining table as well, more comfier chairs. It's just massive really. You got, whatever that is, refrigerator. Oh, and another balcony, almost forgot about. That's 2 balconies now, so that's good. And we've got a bigger kind of kitchen space as well, which is also good. We've got an amazing view out the window as well. I mean, I mean, maybe what they should have done is maybe painted the wall with like some nature. 'Cause what I've noticed in Bali, what they do a lot of the times, they have glass windows when outside, if there's no nature, they kind of paint it to look like it's greenery. So I think that's an idea we can give them, paint it like so it looks like more nature, grass, yeah. But yeah, here is the bedroom. Again, another nice upgrade. Much more spacious, as you can see. Got this lovely bed bang in the middle of the room. Aircon, and I'm happy because I get quite hot and she stays quite warm a lot of the time. So I like the coldest temperature, and this one goes down colder than the other room, which is amazing. And we've got another balcony, which is great because this one actually sees into the main high street. We've got our little market there. You get good items, so it's great. Another balcony, 3 balconies, which is great. So I've got places to run away from Shadea when she annoys me, which is absolutely fantastic. And we've got a bathroom, standard. It's nicer than the other one, I think. So to conclude, anytime you have issues in life, deal with it as soon as you can. Because if we dealt with our issues straight away, we would have been upgraded to this perfect, lovely room maybe 2-3 weeks earlier. So if you are ever facing issues in life, people, a bit of gems, yeah? Don't dwell on the issue. Talk about your problems straight away. Get it resolved. Otherwise, you're going to be left in misery for the rest of your life. So talk, yeah? Talk. Talk to me. You can DM me, my DMs are open, Chad Baptiste on Instagram. You can DM Shadea if you've got any issues as well, Shadea on Instagram. So yeah, that is the update for today. Loving the new room. I'm gonna head to, I'm starving actually, 'cause I went to gym this morning, so I'm gonna make some lunch and then head out and get a coffee at a lovely coffee shop I've been wanting to try for the last couple of weeks. Don't know why I haven't been, but yeah, see you guys soon.
This one, the place that we put the beans.
Okay. So what I do with this?
You can take it.
Okay.
Maybe for
souvenir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Anything in there empty? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Taste test. It's good.
Like it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. I thought it was going to be very like dark, but it's quite light. It's quite light. I taste like the fruit flavour as well. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Today I'm at Blacklist Coffee. We're definitely going to come back here and try the different ones, so I'm excited to see which other coffees I can explore and taste. They've also got a coffee tasting, like 30-40 minute session as well, which I may do, so I might be by myself because Shadea doesn't like coffee, so I don't think she'll come along and pay the money for it, but it'll be a good experience for me, definitely, so we'll see. So after my little coffee run to the coffee shop, we're now indoors still. It looks like it's going to be evening just indoors because Shadea doesn't feel too great, do you?
No, I don't.
Well, now I'm going to dig into the misery and make her feel even worse. I'm about to slaughter her at Snakes in Ladders. What is it called?
Yes, Snakes and Ladders, but you can't. I can actually beat you at this game, so don't even try it. I won!
No, that's cheating.
I won! How can you say I cheated?
That's how you know someone never wins. Look at that reaction of someone that finally won the first game ever.
No, this is what it is, yeah. Every time I win something, Chad disregards it. So I need to make sure that he knows that I won. And we've actually got photo evidence now, video evidence that I won. So you can't even try and disregard this. What was you saying again about winner loser?
I'm deleting this clip. We're currently in a cafe called Sandwichopedia. You're probably thinking, why do both of us have our tops off? Shadea's in a bikini. I've obviously got no top on. Do you care to explain?
So, if you come to this restaurant topless, you actually get 50% off on Saturdays. So that's why we ain't got no tops on. But we're looking forward to the sandwiches. They've got like a good vegan range, so should be nice.
Yeah, the menu is massive, to be honest, though.
Yeah.
There's like 4, 5, 6 different pages of different sandwiches to choose from.
And
Good
they've
coffee
got,
selections as well.
Yeah, separate breakfast menu as well. So they've got loads of like croissant bits, egg bits, vegan bits. So good selection.
If it's nice, then we'll be coming back.
Yeah.
Definitely again for 50% off, because if you don't know Shadea by now, what are you? The Groupon queen.
Coupon queen. I love a discount. And any opportunity that I can get a discount, I'll be there collecting my coins. So yeah.
Alright, well, let's tuck in. 10, what are you rating the food?
Well, one of the sandwiches I would say was an 8, and the other one maybe a 6. It was a vegan chicken one, which was the highest one, and the steak one, which was a 6. But overall, very, very nice. And we had vegan cookies as well, which was just so nice. The chocolate was just melted. It was good.
Nice and warm, wasn't it?
Yeah,
that was good. But overall, it was great. I'll definitely come back, and it's a plus as well because you get 50% off if you go on Saturdays with no top on. Yes, even ladies can go shirtless as well, which is great. But now we're about to head off to a perfume making workshop that's called
7 Senses.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. Make our own perfume, you know, pick our own senses from scratch. So let's see who has a nicer scent.
Yeah, it'll be me.
Basically, it's a body oil that comes with your own personalized scents. So you will build up the perfume of the body oil by yourself, and you can use it as like a tanning oil, as a moisturizer, massage oil, or you can even like use it as a something that you put on your hair. The first thing first, what we're gonna do is to decorate the bottle. So in this studio, we divided the fragrances into 4 categories and how they smell. So over here we have oriental spice, we have woody earthy, we have floral fruity, and the last wheel we have fresh green. So if you like some specific scents, you can mix between the same category, the same family, or if you want to mix between 2 or between 3 or even all of the fragrances, all of the families, you can do that. Make sense? So I want to put it on the vanilla once it's diluted. It's so girly. I like it.
Happy with what you made?
Yeah, I am. Mango, vanilla vibes.
What a cool experience.
Yes, it was at 7 Senses. We made our own little perfume bottles. I really enjoyed the whole experience, from decorating the bottle, picking out the scent. I kind of struggled to find a good combo, but the lady, Andrea, really helped make my scent and match the different scents together. There was about 40 to 50 different scents you could pick from like base notes, top notes, heart notes, all different kind of florals and everything. So you had a good selection to actually pick out a nice mixture.
Yeah, it was great. Definitely recommend it. 7 Senses Lab. And yeah, it was great. We're actually now at Kynd Cafe again, but we're looking forward to going to Ubud because that's going to be a very different experience to Canggu. I know Shadea is definitely looking forward to it because of
my yoga teacher training.
Sounds very intense training. Sorry to cut you off, but yes, I believe it's 12-hour days.
Yeah.
6 a.m. start, 6 p.m. finish, 6 days a week for 21 days.
Yeah.
How are you gonna cope?
Well, I'm just gonna have to go to bed early and just be focused.
Are you gonna miss me?
I'm gonna see you at the evenings.
Yeah, but you know, like if it's like 2 hours without seeing me, you start messaging me and crying and stuff.
Yeah. But I do get a 2-hour break, so I can see you in the break.
Yeah.
I guess if I'm not revising.
I guess.
So I'm gonna have to revise for the exam as well.
Fair enough. But yeah, it should be good because it's such a different vibe to Canggu that we've heard. So yeah, looking forward to that experience and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching again. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you next week.